Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to update your Toyota software. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is running or in accessory mode. You need power to keep the system on while updating. If your Toyota supports over-the-air updates, you may be able to update directly from the display. Some newer Toyota models let you download and install updates right from the settings menu without a USB drive. If your vehicle needs a USB update, start by preparing a USB flash drive. Use a clean USB that is empty and formatted to FAT32. On your computer, go to the official Toyota software update page. Enter your vehicle information like year and model to find available updates. Download the latest software files from Toyota. After your download finishes, copy the update files directly onto the root of the USB drive. Do not put them inside a folder. The main files you need are usually named upgrade.bin and upgrade.json or similar files provided by Toyota. Now go to your Toyota vehicle. Insert the USB drive into the USB port on the multimedia system. On your screen, go to the Settings menu. Find System Information or Software Update. Your system should detect the update files on the USB drive. When the update prompt appears, select Yes and follow the on-screen instructions. Do not turn off the engine, do not remove the USB drive, and do not interrupt power during the update. The system will copy the files and then restart the screen when the update is complete. This may take several minutes. If your Toyota uses Intune, you can also update through the Intune app. Thanks for watching.